We also have some manual engine start switches here, and windshield wiper for the co-pilot side as well. Okay, so these are the panels. This is the upper panel, very important part of the airplane. Most of it is, of course, in automation. And right now, what we're going to do is we're going to turn on the fuel pumps. And as we go down to the front panels, there's some things that now I need to go back and do with my checklist, and that would have to do preparing us to actually request our clearance in order for us to eventually take off. Okay, so first thing we're going to check is we want to make sure that we have our flight plan loaded properly. So LSGS is the ICAO code for Sean Airport. Okay, and LSGG is the code for Geneva. So basically this is saying that we're heading from Sean to Geneva, and we're going to be cruising at close to 9,000 feet. And this is going to show us our flight plan, or our departure. Once we get our departure runway, we'll put it in here. We know that our arrival runway is going to be ILS 22, so we can actually insert that. So now it's going to be in there. The fact that we did this, now we will preload any radio information, any radio channel that we need eventually later on. So that's part of the automation that we can take advantage of. In terms of performance, you remember Chuck talked to you about there's 3 speeds for takeoff that we need to be watching. First speed is a VR1. That's the V1. V1 is the point where we say, hey, can we stop the airplane or not? Once we hit V1, it's better to actually take off than try to stop the airplane. VR is for rotation. This is when we actually gonna take off. And V2 is when the airplane has enough speed to, just in case there is an engine outage, we can turn around and land. So we have that now all set. Flight plan is there properly, so we can say check. We did check that.